Dal here with some of my new plants. Uh, Yesterday we kind of gave up on a dragon tree that I've been struggling with for a year and a half. I had the automatic watering system, which you can't see here, but we had the UV lights that are automatic, and so it was automatically watered, automatically lit, and it was the plant itself was from a climate like native to like the Canary Islands or Casablanca, places like that, and it was a losing battle on it. Didn't know whether to really keep adding too much water or whatever, so at any rate. And then the other plant was a palm tree, and that was just a gorgeous plant the first day we got it. I left it outside all summer so it would get a lot of sunlight, and there again that plant started looking horrible as soon as it came in. So we lost the battle on both of those, and so now we're starting over again. This one here is, do we call that a cougar plant?
A leopard, rattlesnake?
A leopard, rattlesnake type of plant. And then here is an aloe vera plant. It's the kind of item that you can break it off and rub it on your skin if you get burned or something. And then here is a Christmas tree-like plant, but this one's from Thailand, so it's a different kind of deal than the pines that we have here. The one in the back there,
it's called pothos.
Pothos?
Pothos.
Pothos, like pathos in Greek? Pothos. Okay, so I don't know if that's got to do with Greek drama or not, but that's what they call that one. I don't really know.
The tall one back is basil.
This basil plant yesterday was kind of droopy and looking like it was not too happy, but it just sprung back to life real nicely here. So we've got all these here somewhat delineated, and then here is this one, which I don't know what that is. It's sort of a cactus-like.
Some kind of desert plant.
Desert plant. I love those desert plants because sometimes they bloom like once every 40 years, but when they bloom, the flower is beautiful. It's like the Rolling Stones. Every 40 years, they'll write a nice song, like Sweethearts Together or something. It's off of Voodoo Lounge. Well, these kind of plants, they just look like this for a long time. Maybe this one will have a flower involved in it at some point. And so here we have another same type style plant. It looks, I don't know, do you call that deciduous?
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay, so this is another cactus-like, cactus-looking plant. And if this, in this case, if it gets bigger, we can always repot it and put it in. And the same with this, with the aloe vera. If that gets bigger, there's no law that says you can't split it apart and start a stalk in its own pot. So there you have it. Our renewal efforts at getting some plants, and hopefully they'll contribute to cleaner air in the house, and so that's my limited knowledge about these items. When I was a young person, people talked to their plants thinking that would help them along. So I don't know if it was the carbon dioxide involved or something, but they seem to think that works. So I just have to learn how to give these the right amount of water, and again, this amount of sunlight, we've got it set at 8 hours a day, so that'll come on and off automatically. So that's it for now.